We'll guide you through how to deploy your React app on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Vercel account on the Vercel website. If you don't have an account, you can easily sign up using your GitHub account, which is handy because Vercel integrates seamlessly with GitHub. Once you're logged in, click on the New Project button on your dashboard. This will take you to a screen where you can import your project directly from your GitHub repositories. Make sure you've pushed your React app to a GitHub repository before you start this process. Select the repository containing your React app, and then you'll see a screen that allows you to configure your deployment settings. Vercel is smart enough to detect that your project is a React app, but make sure the framework preset is set to React. You can also set any environment variables you need by clicking on the Environment Variables link and entering them there. After you've checked your settings, click the Deploy button. Vercel will then build and deploy your app. You'll see a progress bar and some logs that show the build process. This usually takes a few minutes. Once the deployment is complete, you'll be provided with a unique URL where your app is live. You can click on it to view your deployed React app. If you need to make updates, simply push changes to your GitHub repository, and Vercel will automatically redeploy the updated version. This makes it super easy to keep your app up to date. And that's it. You've successfully deployed your React app on Vercel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.